This is a shelter-in-place warning. All normal programming has been suspended from the Callahan-Madison government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test.
NASA has detected that there's Moon is shading rocks and transforming into meteors centering Earth's atmosphere. It will cause catastrophic damage for our planet. It is been determined that Moon will rip apart the Earth's gravity. All residents of Callahan-Madison are advised to go. Seek shelter for your own safety, or seek a basement with no windows. The President will be speaking shortly. We will play the national anthem for our final time. When the national anthem ends, all stations will be shut down for good. Goodbye, everyone.